Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Natural Hair Chronicles. I am Hellen your host as usual. And today, I will be sharing with you something amazing. Guess what? Onion juice for massive hair growth. Yes, you got me right. Onion juice has amazing benefits for your hair, and today I'll be showing you a step-by-step on how to prepare the juice, apply it on your hair, and wash it out, and style as well. So if you don't want to miss anything interesting, please keep watching and let's get the video started. Before we get into how to use onion juice, it's crucial to be aware of some of the safety precautions. So first of all, you need to do a patch test. And this is because some people are allergic to onion juice. So first do a patch test. Apply a small amount of diluted onion juice to a small area of your arm and then wait a few minutes to ensure that you don't have an allergic reaction or irritation. Secondly, onion juice has some kind of a smell, so it is very strong and lingering. But if it really bothers you, consider adding a few drops of essential oil to your juice. The other thing that you have to consider is onion juice can be very irritating for your eyes. So be aware of that and try not to put it in your eyes as you use it. Then lastly, if you're sensitive to the smell of onion juice or you don't want to get it on your hands, please make sure to wear some gloves as you prepare the onion juice and as you apply it on your hair. To get started, you'll need a few simple ingredients. You'll need a knife, a chopping board, onions and a bowl. You're going to need a spray bottle or an applicator brush or a cotton ball. You're going to need oil. This can be any essential oil, but for this case I'm going to use castor oil. You're going to need a strainer, and finally you'll need a blender. So let's move on to the preparation of our onion juice. Begin by peeling the onions and then chop them into small pieces. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Now move on and place them in a blender and blend the chopped onions until you have a smooth onion paste-like consistency. So now that you are done blending, we are going to move on and extract our onion juice. So place the strainer on a bowl. It can be any bowl that you have. And then pour the mixture into the sieve or into the strainer. And then use a spoon to press down on the onion pulp and extract as much juice as you can. You can also use your hands, but be sure to wear gloves if you're going to use your hands because the smell will be lingering on your fingers all day long. So it's better to know that. And voila, that we have our onion juice.
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
So before we go into the application of onion juice on our hair, let's talk about why it is so amazing for your natural hair. So first of all, onion juice is packed with sulfur, which is very essential for strong and healthy hair. It also promotes blood circulation and boosts blood circulation at the same time to your scalp, which helps to nourish your hair follicles. Onion juice also has antibacterial properties that can help combat dandruff. It also makes your hair very strong and less prone to breakage. And finally, onion juice encourages hair growth because it has sulfur in it that stimulates the hair growth, and it also helps in the growth of new hairs on your scalp. So now that you know the benefits of onion juice, let's move on to the application of onion juice. So to apply the onion juice onto your hair, you can use a spray bottle or a cotton ball, whatever works for you, or you can also use an applicator brush. But as you apply, go ahead and massage it onto your scalp. And the massaging is very, very, very important, so don't forget that part. Massage gently and ensure that the onion juice is evenly distributed. You will then find a polythene bag or a shower cap and put it on your head and leave the onion juice onto your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour to ensure that you get all the benefits. And once you're done with the 30 minutes or an hour, whatever you choose, it's now time to wash it out. So you're going to use your shampoo to cleanse your hair thoroughly. So apply the shampoo onto your head, massage your scalp gently and make sure that your hair is clean, and then wash it out with water. Then apply conditioner as well. And this is the time when you have to detangle your hair if your hair is still tangled. So go in and detangle the hair. And then after, wash out your conditioner.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
So now we're going to apply a leave-in conditioner to lock in moisture into your hair and then protect your hair throughout the day. And this is the time when you also have to style your hair.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh.
And this is also your time to style, so you can do any style that you love. You can do a twist out, you can do whatever style that will make you look good. And there you have it. That's the end of our natural hair onion juice wash day routine. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have learned a lot about onion juice and its benefits for your natural hair. Remember to always incorporate this routine into your hair care regimen to get healthier, stronger, shinier, and longer hair. And if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the great content that we're always sharing on our channel about natural hair care tips, the different videos, and the different wash days. So thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.